go. Come on, Bubba. The spoon is all the way in her mouth. There you go.
Good job, kiddo. You're not making that much of a mess for this only being your second time eating ever.
Can I have that back so I can give you more? Can I have it back? Thank you.
Oh, no. Goodness. Look at that face. Oh, my goodness.
Come here. We're almost done, baby girl. You ate all of it. Can I have the spoon? Can I have it? Thank you. Last little bit.
Hi, Kaitlyn.
Last little bit. There you go. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. That's pretty much it, kid.
Yay. Good job, Kaitlyn.
Can I have this?
Good job, baby.
I don't think I could scrape any more out. Very little. Good job. Good job, Bubba. Good job. Good job, Bubba. All gone.
No, finger in the nose.
All gone.
Finger in the nose.
Empty.
Good job.
Yay!